Salute Achievers Honorable Foundation New Delhi na Tongan Tonganba Lamda Thabak Twriba Manipur dagi MEEOI MANGA da Tongan Tonganba Manashing KHUTSINNARAKLE Manipur dagi manafang lakraba sing adudi Ningombam Usharani Devi da Salute Achievers Award amadi Honorary Directorate Award in Nat Sankritana Maishnam Vijay Kumar Singh da Youth Award in Teaching Profession Sanasam Robita Devi da Women Empowerment Award amadi Honorary Doctorate in Handloom and Handicraft Sanasam Rebecca Devi da Women Empowerment Award in Handloom and Handicraft in Hariba Manasing asi ngarang numidang Constitution Club of India da pangtokiba award presentation ceremony da kusinakibani.